In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload posts on Medium. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you know Medium before now, you know that Medium is a post publishing website or a post publishing platform where lots of online entrepreneurs publish their thoughts as regards to us. So I'm going to show you how you can upload a post here on Medium. So this is basically my Medium account. I'm going to be attaching the link in this video description and show you check it out. So I'm going to click on this. What you need to click on this right first. Once I've clicked on it, you'd be displayed with this next option, right? You would add your title, you tell your story. So I'm gonna at first come on here and add my title. So I already have something here in mind, so I'll copy this. Once I've copied it, I'll paste it here, right? I'll click on the paste. So 10 online business ideas for entrepreneurs. So I can still come on here and make this look really okay. I can make it to be bold. I think from here, yeah, it can be this, it can be this. So I would come on here, I would add a picture, right? Because you can add pictures if you want. So I would click on this because I already downloaded the picture before now. So this is it. You can add a caption. I can say business, right? Business. So I just added the caption. Then I'm gonna copy this because I already wrote down all this before now. So I'm gonna copy this right here. I'll click on this copyright. I would paste it here. I think Ctrl V. Yeah. So I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. 1, 2. Okay, I'll just adjust it. 2. This should be 3. This should be 3. This should be, I think, 4. Okay, I'm gonna just adjust it. This is 1. This is 2. This 4. This 5. This 6. I think. Then I'll do this 7. This 7, I think. Then this 8. I would remove this. Okay, this 8. This 9, I think. Yeah, this one. Then this 10. Yeah, so once I'm done, I think I'm done with this, right? So 10 online business ideas for entrepreneurs. This is it. Yeah, so once I'm done with this, you can still come on here and add anything you want to add, right? You can come on here, you can add an image, you can add an image from Uplash, you can add a video if you want. You can embed a link, right? If I click on this, so let's say I want to embed my YouTube channel link, so I'll come on here, I'll click on check out on YouTube, right? I'll do this. I'll head over to my YouTube channel, I think. Yeah, so I would copy this, I would embed this link right here, paste. So I think I'm done with this. So once I'm done, you click on the publish, right? I think 10 online entrepreneurs. Then this is it, publishing, add. Okay, I would click on this publish now. So my story is publishing right now. So this is it. I just published my own very first post here on Medium platform. Your story is published. This story isn't currently eligible to earn money. To make this, join the before you can start any money, you need to join the Medium partner program, right? So I would cancel this. You can see my post has been uploaded here on Medium platform, 10 online business ideas for entrepreneurs. So this is a quick read through, right? Then check out on YouTube. If I click this link now, I'll be directed to YouTube automatically, right? So it's pretty easy, like it's really easy. So this is basically how you can upload post, or how you can post on Medium platform. I'll be attaching this my Medium profile link in this video description, as well as this post, so ensure you go check it out whenever you're free. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the very next one.